hope that you'll stay with us, see us through many more milestones, but we are truly thrilled that you're with us today on this first flight into Italy. We do ask that you stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, all your carry-on items